History often remembers the battles, the victories, and the defeats. But it rarely remembers what happened after the battle was over. In 7th century Arabia, defeat could mean far more than losing a war. It could mean losing your freedom, your family, your home, your place within society. For many, captivity meant a lifetime without hope. It was into these moments that the prophet often chose not revenge, but restoration. Among those whose lives would be changed was Juwayriyah, daughter of al-Harith. She was the daughter of the chief of Banū Mustaliq. Following the conflict, she found herself among those taken captive. Her future appeared uncertain. Everything that had once given her security had disappeared. Then, history took an unexpected turn. The prophet accepted her request for freedom and later married her. It was a decision whose impact extended far beyond one household. When the Muslims learned that Juwayriyah had become part of the prophet's family, they responded in an extraordinary way. Out of respect for the messenger of God, they voluntarily released those who had been taken captive. Family after family was set free. History records that hundreds regained their freedom. What had begun with conflict ended with mercy. For Banū Mustaliq, this was more than liberation. It was the restoration of dignity. A relationship once defined by hostility began to change. Respect replaced bitterness. Mercy opened the door to reconciliation. This story reveals an important pattern. The prophet's marriages were not isolated personal decisions. Again and again, they became a means of protecting the vulnerable, healing divisions, restoring honor, and bringing communities closer together. History remembers the battles, but perhaps its greatest lessons are found in what happened after the fighting ended. Not revenge, not humiliation, but mercy, compassion, and dignity restored.